Good morning, dear students. Now I am going to teach you a new topic, and that is compartmentalization, division of history. Okay, from chapter 1, that is history. First of all, in previous videos, I taught you that why do we need to study history. I am just going to give you some recap. Okay. Students, we just need to study history to learn about our past and know our heritage. History helps us to learn about the growth and development of our society. Okay? It also tells us about the important events and achievements of people such as rulers, scientists, inventors, artists, social workers, and scholars. We have contributed towards the development of our country and the world. History reveals interesting facts about the past, such as the life of the early humans. We must remember that our past has given way to our present and will lead us to the future. Knowledge about our past helps us to appreciate our present. Okay, students, then after, the topic is how and why do we divide history. Okay, in compartmentalization, division of history, you just go through time and history. Both are continuous. Time and history both are continuous. Yes, history now relates to a long period of time for the sake of better understanding and convenience. History has been divided into the following three periods, and that is ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. Okay, listen. Just as it is very difficult to divide history as our past is vast and time is continuous. Just already I explained. However, to make it easier to study about a particular time in the past, history has been divided according to the division of time into months or years. The long stretches of time into which history is divided are known as periods, and historians have divided history into three periods, just as ancient period, medieval period, and then after modern period. Ancient period, it refers to the very old time in history. There are very few sources available to us to learn about this time. Therefore, we know very little about this period. Okay, just as it refers to the very old period belonging to the very distant past and no longer in existence. Very few sources are available about this period, and it covers the period up to the 8th century AD. Okay. Then after medieval period. Medieval period is refers to the middle period actually. There are relatively more sources available to us learn about this period than the ancient period. It refers to the middle period, as I already explained, and there are enough sources available for this period, and it covers the period from the 9th century to the 17th century. Then after modern period. Modern period refers to the recent period. Okay, and we have many sources of history available to us from this period. It refers to the more recent period, just given in your book. Many sources are available, बहुत सारे sources available हैं for this period, and it covers the period from the 18th century till now. 18th century till now. Okay, just tell me, history is just study of the past. Okay. Ancient period, that is history divided into three periods, and that is ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. Ancient period, very old time in history. Medieval period, that is the middle period in history, and the modern period, that is the recent time in history. Thank you, students. It's all for today.